Gaining the upper hand, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on one that you might have heard but not fully understood, the upper hand. This phrase is not only common in everyday English conversations but also rich in meaning and history. Stick around as we unravel the significance of having the upper hand and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, the upper hand, refers to having a position of advantage, control, or superiority over someone or something. It means being in a dominant position where you have the power to influence outcomes or decisions. This idiom is often used in contexts where two parties may be competing, negotiating, or involved in a conflict, and one has a clear advantage over the other. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us appreciate their meaning more deeply. The phrase, the upper hand, is believed to have originated from the physical advantage one might have in combat or sports by being in a higher position, thus having better leverage or force. Over time, it transitioned into metaphorical use to describe having an advantage in various situations, not just physical confrontations. Now, let's put our idiom into action. Here are some examples of how the upper hand can be used in sentences. In the negotiations, it was clear that the company had the upper hand, setting most of the terms. Despite the early setbacks, the chess grandmaster managed to gain the upper hand and win the match. Knowing the local market well gave her the upper hand in the business deal. These examples show how versatile this idiom is, fitting well into professional, competitive, and everyday scenarios. To expand your vocabulary further, here are a few idioms that carry a similar meaning to the upper hand. Holding all the cards, having all the advantages or important information in a situation. Having the edge over someone, being slightly better or more advanced than someone else. In the driver's seat, being in control of a situation or outcome. Understanding these phrases will not only enrich your English but also help you recognize nuances in conversations and literature. And there you have it. A closer look at the idiom, the upper hand. We hope this video has given you a good grasp of its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!